Good morning, everyone. It is day 3 of Tour De Fleece 2026. I am Tina, and this is Tina's Workshop. And my goals for today, I'm taking it easy on myself because I'm not sure how much of the day I'm going to be here because I know I've got to be in town with my husband, and I don't know, I just don't know how much time I'll be at home. So I plan to take my basket along with me with my spindles and do some spindle spinning. So that's goal number 1, spindle spin. Goal number 2, I left on the floor. Goal number 2 is to ply this. So I would like to ply this up. That I think I should be able to do, even if it comes later in the day. It means this video goes a little bit later, but I should be able, I think, to ply this up unless we get home really late. So ply this and do spindle spinning. That's the extent of my goals for today. So I think that is doable, right? So yeah, that's my plans. That's it. So I will check back in with you in quite a few hours. It is 10 a.m. So I'll check back in somewhere around 6 o'clock, hopefully, and we'll see how far I've gotten. I'm going to start off enjoying myself, my cup of tea and my little Belvitas. If you guys have not had these Belvitas, I love these things. It makes eating breakfast so much easier. I don't know, but I just really like them. So I'm going to have me my little bit of breakfast and hop in the car with my husband, go to town, work on my spindles, and I'll see you back in a few. Bye. I don't know. I'm looking in this screen. I'm feeling very windblown. Maybe it's because I've just been standing outside for a while. And it was kind of windy because I picked up my spindle again to try and do it. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know if that's going to work because it was kind of windy. So I at the dentist this morning, came home for a little while, got to do some plying. I got to sit on my craft Zoom. Every Monday, I'm on a craft Zoom. Um, Very nice. Get to sit and craft. Some of my friends that are back in California, but then there's also some other friends that are in other parts of the country. So sat on that, did my plying, and I got the skein done. I think it came out so pretty. So now I'm ready for skein number 2. I did actually pre-draft my first bit for that, but I have not actually started spinning it yet because then we had to go back to the second portion of the dentist appointments. And then we came back home and then picked up my son and my sister-in-law, went back to town because my husband's uncle went to the emergency room, and now he's going to be getting admitted to the hospital. But we didn't stay there too long. My husband went in to see him, but the rest of us didn't get the chance to go in because they were only allowing one person. So his daughter was in there. My husband flip-flopped with her. He went in. The rest of us didn't try to, and they weren't allowing anybody else to sit in the emergency room, waiting room. So we stood outside, talked with the daughter for a while, and then we came back home, which is why I said I was outside and the wind was blowing. And let's see, what is it? It's 92 right now. So we came back home. They're supposed to be admitting him into the hospital. So yeah, anyway, I did get spindle spinning done though while I was at the dentist today and while I was in the car. So it's not a ton because the dentist isn't too far from here. So I just got a little bit done while I was in the car, and I got a little bit more done while we were at the dentist. But honestly, we were in and out pretty quickly at the dentist. So I feel like I didn't do a whole lot, but there was a lot of back and forth, and I don't know. But anyway, skein is plied, spindle spinning has been done, and some pre-drafting has been done because I also have some pre-drafting that has been done here. So, we got some stuff done, and my goal this morning was plying this and working on spindles. So I did that. So that's good. Um, I might get some other done later. I'm not positive. I need to edit this. Been having a lot of trouble with my internet lately. I don't know why. It's really frustrating. Sometimes the internet works really well and the stuff will go up okay. And then other times it's just like really, really slow. And then like last night, I click on the check and I called my son because his bedroom's right here, but my bedroom is below this one. So I called him and I'm like, would you go over and just check it? And he comes over and he checks it and he reloads the page completely. Everything was uploaded, but for some reason it like saved it as a draft and hadn't published it. I was like, so that was like a YouTube thing, not even an internet thing. I was like, really? So I'm gonna get this edited. And then I actually have another video to record because my Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month came in today. So I'm super excited about that one, but I do not want to put that into this video just in case there are some of you that also get it, and I don't want to have a spoiler in this, so I won't show it in this video for a little while. So if you are interested in that, then that video hopefully will go up tomorrow morning. That's what I'm going to schedule it for. So you can go click on that if you want to see it, but I will not include it in this one quite yet. So, but the packaging looks really cool, so I can't wait to open it. So that is where I'm at the moment. Like I said, tomorrow I have a funeral. So I'll talk more about tomorrow's goals, but I think we'll be having more spindle action tomorrow. So for now, I'm going to sign off from this. Gonna get this edited, get my other one recorded and get it edited and get them all uploaded. So I'll see you in the morning. Good night, y'all.